As a delivery lead, I basically handle most of the PSU accounts for delivery, and I look after projects and how clients give their requirements and how we have been delivering them, how the requirements are fulfilled. So all of that is something which comes under my purview. I think when we started, we were a small group of, I think, 10-20 people only. We started with smaller groups, working in smaller projects, and people used to do everything. We used to do right from sales to delivering to doing in QA, everything we used to do. So it was a kind of a journey which has really been nice. So when we started, I think visualization was a kind of niche market. Analytics was very new, and we were trying to test waters and see how could visualization help solve people problems or business problems. We slightly understood that visualization is not the only thing which will go and solve people problems. We then bounced into analytics, and we thought analytics and visualization is going to be a good mix. Post that, we realized that these things are already there, these tools are there, you can build charts, you can build applications around it, and you can deliver solutions. But then who is there to make people understand what is going to happen from top to bottom? Now at the executive level, the understanding is something different. At an operational level, the understanding is something different. So how do we bring everyone on the same page? And that is basically storytelling we want to do now. So the vision which we have taken now, I think is going to encompass whatever we were doing in the past 10 years. Yeah. So I think the most important or the most basic thing which I would be looking for is how people interact with teams. That is one. Second, how comfortable are you with data? Now, however small the data is, if you're able to get some insights out of it and able to explain it properly, that is something which translates into a good team member for me. Then obviously the things like SDLC, you should have a knowledge of the entire development lifecycle, which tells how a normal IT company grows. Then a combination of roles like BA and PM. That is something which is very generic in the IT industry, and that is something which is very a very important part of the delivery team out here. So I think these roles I would like to see in people who are joining in. Next 5 years we should be able to scale at a much faster pace what we have been doing till now, and grow new heights, be more global, and open more offices around, and gain more buildings around. So all of that.